Hello guys, we are here now in what is this?
Bring me the thing clothes.
We are here now in fish market. Where is this? Dera? No?
Yeah, there.
Dera. We are in Dera,
Waterfront
so we're in waterfront market.
Where is the entrance?
But we are looking for the fruits market.
I think.
Hi, we are here in the fruit market.
स्वीट हो रहे हैं जूस के लिए ऊपर पड़ा ना वही है ना
Yeah. Yes, habang yung aking anak ay nag-aantay na. Ah,